So we are here broadcasting live to the ingredients of preparing for a shop, the work that it takes. As you see, we have some flat bread, fried bread, not cooked yet, sitting on the table to rise. Of course, we have the choice of Pam's high-grade flour. This is part of the u.s.a activities happening here in Te Kaha, getting ready for tihiro. And this is the young lady who's cooking her fried bread. But we can't tell you who she is because it's top secret. And this is the chop suey. Lift us that lift there, Toko. This is the chop suey. It's going down to feed 400 Maoris. And that is our u.s.a broadcast activities for this morning. Te Whanau Apanui.